They laughed like he was a clown. Courtroom whispers. Smug smirks Ivan. The judge couldn't hide his doubt. But what they didn't know, this so-called nobody was about to burn their arrogance to the ground and rewrite the meaning of justice right in front of their eyes. Like, subscribe, and buckle up, because this legal beatdown will leave you speechless. David Williams wasn't supposed to win. He was a janitor, soft-spoken, poor, with zero legal training, accused of vandalizing a high-end furniture store where he once worked nights. The prosecution thought it would be an easy win. When David said he'd represent himself, the courtroom erupted in quiet chuckles. Lawyers smirked. Even the bailiff shook his head. He walked in, wearing an old suit, 2 sizes too big, carrying a box of notes. But from the moment he opened his mouth, everything changed. He started quoting obscure Mississippi case law from memory. He exposed flaws in the prosecution's timeline. He asked questions that made witnesses contradict themselves, one by one. Then, he played a grainy security video frame by frame, and pointed out that the man in the footage wasn't even left-handed. David was. Gasps filled the room. The opposing attorney fumbled. The judge leaned forward. David kept going, calm, sharp, unstoppable. In his closing argument, he didn't beg. He didn't whine. He stated facts, connected dots, and then dropped a final bomb. A witness statement. The prosecution had that proved he was across town during the incident. The room froze. After just 30 minutes of deliberation, the jury returned. Not guilty. The judge stared at David and said, "Son, that was one hell of a performance." Reporters swarmed him. A local law professor even offered him a scholarship on the spot. Union show. Don't ever underestimate someone because they're quiet, poor, or overlooked. Because when the fire inside finally erupts, it can silence a whole damn courtroom.